Good morning, student. 9th class chemistry, chapter number 5. Continue with our topic. Representative elements. S and P block elements, elements which have their outermost orbit incomplete. They include all elements of group 1, group 2, group 13, group 14, 15, 16, 17 is given here. Alkali metal from form a strong alkalis with water except hydrogen. Group 2 alkaline earth metal form weaker alkalis compared to the first A group elements. Group number 13 boron family, the boron. Group number 14 a carbon family, and the group number 15 nitrogen family, group number 16 oxygen family, and the group number 17 the halogen, which forms the salt. The alkali metals group number 1 are the most reactive metals. They are known as the alkali metals because they react vigorously with the water to produce the hydrogen and the alkali solution. Halogens group number 17 are the most reactive non-metals. They forms the salt and reacting with metal. So here group number 1 and group number 17 are more reactive or the most reactive elements present in these groups, and they are formed as a salt. Main characteristics of the representative elements, they includes both metal and non-metal. There is a regular gradations from the metallic to the non-metallic character as one move from the left to right across the period. They forms the electrovalent as well as a covalent compound with the non-metal. Metallic nature increases moving down any of these 7 groups. Metals which are good conductor of heat and electricity are present in the group 1 and 2. Non-metals which are present in the group number 16 and 17 are the poor conductor of the heat and electricity. Some heavier elements like tin and lead exhibit the variable valencies. So here the main characteristics is given of the group number 1, group number 2 and group number 16 and 17. That group number 1 and group number 2 are the metals, and they are the good conductor of electricity, whereas the group number 17, 16 are the non-metals. They are the bad conductor or poor conductor of electricity and heat. And the special thing that the tin and lead exhibits the variable valency, more than one valency they are showing, that is tin and lead in this group. Transition elements, D block elements, they are included in the group 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Main characteristics of the transition elements, all these elements are the metal with high melting and boiling point. They are the good conductor of heat and electricity. Some of these elements are attracted towards a magnet. Most of these elements are used as catalytic. Most of these elements exhibit variable valency. Most of these elements form a colored ions and a colored compound. So they form colored ion and colored compound showing variable valency, used as a catalytics. It's a good conductor of heat and electricity. Melting and boiling point is high. So these are the main characteristics of the transition elements. Now inner transition elements, that is called the F block element. You know what the F block element in a transition element, which is placed below the periodic table. Yeah, these elements of the 6th and the 7th period of the group 3, the lanthanides and the actinides, are collectively known as the inner transition elements. The main characteristics of the inner transition elements are as follow. They are the heavy metals with the high melting and boiling point. They show the variable valency. They form the color ions. Actinides are all radioactive elements. Some are not found in nature. They are made in a special laboratory. So they are made in special laboratories. They are having a color ion, variable valency and high melting and boiling point.